Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to change pictures in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official squarespace.com website right here. If you're not already, after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where you need to go ahead and log into your account. So log into your account where your website is. After logging in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, and right here on the dashboard we can find the website. So let's go ahead and open it up by clicking this button right here. That's going to open up my website in a new page, and now I can get started changing any pictures I don't like on the website. So basically here at the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, and above them is the edit button. So what you want to do is click the edit button. After clicking on edit guys, this is now going to open up our website in edit mode, and you'll have multiple options that you can access the site header, the footer, and so on, and here you can manage your midsection. So guys, we have two options. Either we can go ahead and add an image that we want to use by clicking the add block option right here. That's going to enable us to select an image from the blocks we want to add and get started with adding any image and replacing any older ones. But guys, if you do not want to add a new image but replace an existing one, what you can do is find the image you want to replace. So here's my image, and after clicking on it, you can see now we have the edit option. So what you can do is click on edit, and now here guys, under content you can find the image that is being used, and if you want to replace it, just click the replace button right here and start selecting the new image that you want to use. After selecting it, click on save and exit out, and it will be successfully replaced. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.